Where is GE going next, and should you buy, hold, or sell GE stock? In this video, I'm going to cover everything regarding technical analysis, price predictions, forecasts, and outlooks on General Electric Company. And to do all of this, I'm going to use a strategy that has statistically shown to work in the past. Now, you can check out all the wins and credentials about this strategy and actually me backing the claims up. But the reason why I'm actually pulling this out and actually showing you is mainly because, look, the following a strategy is always the right thing to do. Why? Because you're going to be confident behind, okay, you're going to have confidence if your strategy works. Now, just imagine, before I get into it, the way that we're doing this, we're always following the trend, right? The trend is our friend. And listen, this is what my previous predictions kind of look like. I was expecting two scenarios. This is just kind of the idea behind it. We most definitely took off or took on bullish, right? And that's the same thing over and over again, over and over again. But this is just the idea. It was not the actual prediction, but it was still true and it was still correct. It's still holding the same exact place. Now imagine not having a strategy and trying to invest your hard-earned money. That's basically gambling. Not having a stock strategy to follow is the reason why 95% of people lose and quit. Okay, here's how the quality of your life could actually increase from learning this one skill. Okay, you can be your own boss, you can work from anywhere, you can make as much money as you want, and you could work from how long you want. Okay, how to do all of this? You're basically just going to follow a strategy that works, you're going to test it, and then execute it. This is the way you win. A lot of people do not get this. It takes 3 years. It took me years to understand this. Okay, the benefits are, as I mentioned, there's going to be no fear in your trading. There's going to be clarity and confidence on the charts. There's going to be a simple execution strategy to follow that you're not going to think for half an hour if you actually want to take the trade or not. And you're going to have the light psychology and mindset. Okay. That being said, what's next with GE? So the thing is that GE is in a very beautiful bullish trend on the higher time frame. And here we had the idea that we wanted it to continue with its own thing and actually start to deliver bullish. My prediction is still exactly the same, so I'm definitely still expecting more upside moves from General Electric to continue and occur. And it could be vastly different, right? It could maybe pull back down, which is still fine because we're still in a very big bullish trend. But more importantly, I'm just going to show you again the ideas because we're not in the right zones, which I would probably just make a prediction, right? But yeah, the idea is that we're still expecting the highs to continue and make new highs. So let me know what's your and even higher time frame. When I say the idea, even if the price comes lower, or even if something like that happens, we're still expecting these $200 highs to continue to get clear. Now, this is just my perspective and opinion. This is obviously not financial advice by any means whatsoever. This is what has just served me and what my strategy is letting me do. Now, if you want to learn the strategy for absolutely free, 100% free course, check out the first link in the description. It's only free for a limited time.